This is my student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.
Next is thyroid gland. The thyroid gland is a butterfly-shaped gland located in front of the neck on the trachea just below the larynx. It is made up of two lobes. These are two lobes, right lobe and left lobe, which are connected to each other by isthmus. It has two poles, upper poles and two lower poles. The thyroid gland produces hormone that regulate the body's metabolic rate, controlling heart, muscles, digestive function, brain development, and bone maintenance. Its correct function depends upon good supply of iodine in the diet. The thyroid hormone are synthesized as a large precursor of thyroglobulin. The release of T3 and T4 into the blood is stimulated by TSH hormone from anterior pituitary. T3, that is triiodothyronine, and T4, that is thyroxine, affect mostly cells of the body by increasing the basal metabolic rate, heat production, regulating the metabolism of carbohydrate, proteins and fats. T3 and T4 are essential for normal growth and development, especially of the skeleton and nervous system. Most other organs of the system are also influenced by these two thyroid hormones. Next is calcitonin. Calcitonin hormone is also secreted by thyroid gland. It acts on the bone cells and kidneys to reduce blood calcium level when they are raised in the blood. It promotes storage of calcium in the bones and inhibit reabsorption of calcium by renal tubules. Its effect opposes to that of the parathyroid hormone, the hormone which are secreted by parathyroid glands. Release of calcitonin is stimulated by an increase in blood calcium level. Parathyroid glands. These are four small parathyroid glands, two embedded in posterior surface of each lobe. So this in right lobe 2 and in left lobe 2. They are surrounded by connective tissue, capsule, and one superior and one inferior parathyroid gland are attached to the each lobe. Parathyroid glands produce parathyroid hormone, that is PTH, and it is also called as parathormone. Secretion is regulated by increase in calcium level. When they fall, the calcium level fall, the PTH hormone is increased. The main function of PTH is to increase the blood calcium level when it is low. This is achieved by indirectly increasing the amount of calcium absorption from the small intestine or reabsorption from the renal tubules by increasing the reabsorption.
My student support system. Keep watching, keep learning.